What's up everybody, Logan from Crypto Videos back with another video. Today we're talking about the Umbra token from Umbra Privacy. It says incognito mode powered by Arcium. Now this token here just had a big ICO. It was a giant ICO where they raised a ton of money. And yeah, we're going to talk about the info on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token had a huge ICO on Metadao. So there was a tweet from @Arcium, ARCIUM, which is also a big project here. They have a Twitter following of 112,200 Twitter followers. It says, welcome to the encrypted supercomputer Arcium. And they tweeted out October 13th, this is history. Umbra Privacy, building on Arcium HQ, saw a record-breaking participation last week on Metadao project with $155 million in commitments from 10,519 participants. So this is a huge project, just had a huge ICO, and this token is now live on the Solana blockchain. So you can get this token off of Meteora or other decentralized pools. I'll tell you two different ways how to get this token. So first of all, you could download a Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet, Phantom wallet, or Soulflare wallet. Any one of those wallets would work. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange. There is a list of central exchange links in the description box and some QR codes in the corner of the screen. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you'd find a decentralized exchange like Meteora. You would then find the contract address on their webpage, umbraprivacy.com. They even have an embedded swap right on their page, actually. You could use that as well. But then also, yeah, so you'd get the contract address off their webpage or their SolScan, DEX Tools, or DEX Screener chart. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And then you would trade your Sol for the Umbra token using that contract address on a decentralized exchange like Meteora. Now, if you want to find a cooler way, in my opinion, is you could use Mexc Global's Decentralized Plus, their DEX Plus. So if you go into Mexc Global and you just connect your wallet to their DEX Plus, you connect your decentralized wallet, search the search the contract address in the DEX Plus. It'll search all of the decentralized exchanges and find you the best possible price. So that's a really cool feature of Mexc's DEX Plus. So check that out on there. But yeah, those are two different ways to get the token, Meteora or on the DEX Plus there. So their webpage is umbraprivacy.com. It says incognito mode for your finance. And they have an application. So it says go to the application. So you click on that. It says get started with Umbra. Umbra products work seamlessly together to create the best on-chain experience. And you could download the Umbra app for iOS, and it's called Test Flight, and then they have the Umbra Android app, APK, and you could find that on their webpage there. Now they also have, if you click on the left-hand corner of the screen, you can find a Twitter. I am going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find this project here. But they do have a full document section. That's where you can find the contract address. It'll take you to, you can get the token off Jupiter as well. They have the mobile app, Faucet, GitHub, terms of use, and a Discord group you could join. Now the Discord is going to be a great place to discuss the project with other community members. So it says, welcome to Umbra, the financial privacy layer for Solana. We provide the infrastructure for confidential, unlinkable, and auditable transactions, making on-chain privacy seamless and secure. So what is Umbra? Umbra is the financial privacy layer that provides the cryptographic infrastructure necessary to execute confidential transactions, allowing users and applications to protect their financial data on-chain. This protocol is designed to enable anonymous, unlinkable, and auditable token transfers and interactions. It functions as a shared state system built for capital efficiency, providing robust privacy guarantees without the high per-user costs typically associated with on-chain privacy solutions. Now, the transparency of blockchains is a foundational feature for verifiability, but it creates significant challenges for financial privacy. All transactions are recorded on an immutable public ledger, leading to several issues: financial history exposure, behavioral analysis, and strategic vulnerabilities. Privacy is a functional requirement for sophisticated financial activity, enabling security and strategic freedom. The solution: a protocol for on-chain privacy. Umbra is engineered to provide robust privacy guarantees through a set of core functionalities. Unlinkable transfers. So the cryptographic link between the sender and receiver is broken. An on-chain observer can determine who received funds from a given depositor. We also have confidential amounts. So the amount of a transaction is encrypted, visible only to the parties involved. This prevents statistical analysis based on transaction values. And relayer network support. So users can submit claim transactions through a relayer, enabling gasless withdrawals to new addresses that do not need to be pre-funded with SOL. And voluntary auditability. The protocol includes an opt-in mechanism for users to generate viewing keys, allowing them to disclose their transaction history to third parties for compliance or auditing purposes. Now, use cases for Umbra. Umbra is more than a simple privacy tool. It's a foundational composable layer for the entire Solana ecosystem. For individuals, you can have private payments and transfers, so protect financial history, shield new wallets, confidential transactions, and confidential DeFi interactions with shield trading strategies and private position management. And for businesses, protect treasury movements, execute large trades privately, enhance operational security, private payroll, and supplier and partner payments. So lots of cool features. You can check all of this out here at docs.umbraprivacy.com. You can find this token in Mexc Global's DEX Plus. So check it out there and let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about Umbra? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.